this is Dr. Heike Bielek from Into Infinity. Last time we saw how the seed of life creates the template of these three vectors and how that rotates into 3D and it creates this octahedral structure. Why this is so relevant is actually when we relate this to the nature of matter itself and how the atom is structured. The atom is consisting out of the nucleus, and then around the nucleus we have these electron shells or the electron cloud. And this electron cloud creates certain geometries. P-orbitals are like these lobes that are orientated on an X, Y, and Z axis, just as we found within this octahedral structure coming out of the seed of life. So you basically have an electron somewhere around here. One is going to be opposite, then there's going to be one here, one here, one here, and one there. As geometricians, as an octahedron. So let's just get rid of that. This, everyone, is the periodic table. This column over here are called the noble gases. So for every p orbital, we have a certain number of electrons. So if we would start here, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then this would be the element number 10, it's neon and it has an octahedral form. This element will not react. This pattern now repeats on all the other elements that follow. If this is a neon, element number 10, this is argon, which is element number 18. That again refers to these corners of the larger octahedrons as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's an expansion of the same octahedral structure. And if we're going to go one row next to that, to krypton, element 36, we see a similar sort of thing. 6 corners for the octahedron itself. Now it's just going to be compounded with the d orbitals that come in at this point. If you look at it here, this is actually how argon sits inside krypton, and then neon would be in the center of that. Is a point where the elements just fulfill a certain blueprint and they won't react anymore, and that's why they're called noble gases. These octahedral structures, they really form boundaries where elements try to react with each other within those boundaries, but once they reach the boundary, the structure is completed. Here we see how the octahedron plays a very essential role in the process within this structure of the periodic table, and all that comes out of the seed of life.